We have 2 of these benches at the moment. It helps the learning process. It sticks better with them.
It allows us to have more confidence out in the field when we're dealing with clients.
I know exactly how it looks because it's the same components we use in the school as we use out in the field.
We have the compressor here, the heart of the system. The cooling agent goes from vapor into liquid. We allow the cooling agent to vaporize again.
Just getting my hands on a small installation where you can work with the actual cooling techniques is really nice.
You get to use your hands, so I think it makes a student like us much more confident.
The students are allowed to grasp it in a whole new level. They simply become happy. We see them smiling, and that just makes the entire learning environment much, much better.